Okay, guys. So today I want to share my experience traveling to a really cool the place and one of the largest and the most historic museum in Egypt. And this museum, the museum house and ton of historical items and ancient artifact, and the most chilling thing, the collection of the mummies from the times Moses. Even long before that, the items there aren't not just old objects. They have long histories, meanings, and very important use in their time. So here we still waiting the bus, and then so our bus is arrived, and it is was quite large, and the parked right across from where we're waiting, and so we had to cross the street to get on. So this is the bus, and then yeah, my friend and I finally got on the tuck seat in the back, so we could relax. Okay, sitting here with my friend is Fatan. So the trip to the museum took about 40 minutes from the where we were, and during the ride, and I chatted with my friend is Fatan from I have Knau Science Junior High School and now Volcanoes High School, and so he's like a brother to me. And one the way I also enjoyed the unique Egyptian atmosphere, uh, dry hot, but with unique views, and the buildings on the either side of the road have their own unique characteristic and very different from those found in Indonesian. Okay, guys. So after a very long, the long journey, we finally arrived and at our destination. And as soon as we got off the bus, and we were immediately directed to line up for a security check, as not all items are allowed inside the museum, especially for this museum. Okay, after the security check was complete, uh, I and my friend walk straight in. This is a museum, and finally arriving in front of the National Museum of Egyptian Civilization. That's, or we can say, NIMH for the short name. And the exterior is already magnificent. The entrance is large and modern, yet it still has an ancient feel. And yeah, we so we had to wait a bit, yeah, because our guide was still holding our entrance the ticket while we waited, and I took a moment to look around and take a few photos with my friend and chat with the others, and then talking uh, about what lah for the feel the time empathy. So I went to enter. This is okay. So we after check the ticket, and I was entered this museum, and then after ticket, we are head out, and the group leader give us a briefing. He said we were free to explore the museum, and we're allowed to take photos and video, but there are always a special rule in the underground chamber where our mummies are kept, and we were not allowed to take photos or video, and this is because the place is considered very scared and yeah strictly guarded. So I became even more curious and immediately wanted to go the mummy section first. Okay guys, as soon as I entered the mummy's storage room, and I feel a bit creeped out, but also yeah amazed. And there were mummies and famous pharaohs like Ramses 1, Ramses 2, and Ramses 3, and then Ramses 4, and then even Ramses 5. Just image and bodies from thousand of the year ago could still be precious to this day, and was truly amazed by ancient Egyptian and knowledge of the body profession. After I was yeah stay visit with the mummy collection, and I continued on the other artifact now. And in the next room I found so many unique objects. And for the first, this is one I saw was called the good wife. The name good wife, that's name this good wife. And then next to other artifact. Okay, so yeah, then there is some kind of ancient skull used from a ritual or yeah daily life. And then I thought I forgot the name because I don't see the name. Maybe like yeah Indonesian we can say timbangan, like that lah. Okay, next the others artifact. The name, this is name is yeah bakery, Baskery. This is Baskery. And then the next, so yeah this is a type of uh yeah woven craft or musical instrument from ancient Egypt. This is we can say Indonesian ya alat musik from Egypt, ancient Egypt. And the next, this is a body care product, or we can say skincare ancient in Egypt. And also now as ya skincare lah Indonesian. Okay, next. This is it is funny and turns out the ancient Egyptian cared about their. And then this is name. And then this is name there was the Fisher Parker. And then this, then the purification with water, and then which is a site to be used for purification rituals. Next, the others. This is what's that? This is collection of the jewelry from Neferupat doctors that was truly luxurious. So this is jewelry from Neferupat. And next, we move to other artifact. And I saw this is artifact. The name is miniatures of the prisoners from the Pharaoh's time, depicting their lives in the past. Okay, after that, so I move on the clothing section. For this museum, I entered this museum. This is especially for the clothes, clothes essential from Egypt lah. And this is room. There was a collection of items related to ancient Egypt fashion, and then there were raw materials for making clothes. You can see so many miniatures and how to make clothes from the ancient Egypt. And then the finished fabric and ancient bed, even underwear on display. Okay, so after this, I want to show you about underwear in ancient Egypt. After this, that is bed, and then this is have a miniatures, the clothes with a cloth. And then we can say before this is underwear in zaman Firaun, or we can say ancient Egypt, and that is a full set of the clothes for the female in Egypt, and this complete with accessories like arrow rings, and then many necklace and other jewelry, and this is so many how to make a clothes. Okay, so this is also a small figures, and then connected item used in everyday life, and then there is slippers, and then clothes again. That is good clothes. I appreciate it too. And then the collection here really makes us imagine what the life was like for Egyptian thousand of the years ago. And then so many artifacts from yeah the thousand ago. And then they have Gucci. And then finally I got to see the special place used to cover the coffin, when then someone died, and it is made even more aware of how complex and scared the burial process was in ancient Egypt. That's so big and so, yeah, luxury, and then the goods, and then yeah, maybe that's it enough for my story for now. And then there is still so much to explore in this museum, but I will continue in part 2, and so stay tuned for the next story. And guys, see you later, and last said, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.